In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot send request problem on Facebook. To solve this problem, you can follow the steps. Step 1. Open Play Store and update your Facebook app's latest version. Tap on search. Tap on search icon. Search Facebook application. From here, you make sure your Facebook apps is updated. If your Facebook apps is not updated, then update your Facebook apps. It helps to how to fix cannot send request on Facebook. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on app. Tap on manage apps. Search Facebook apps. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Facebook clear cache data. It helps you to fix Facebook cannot send request problem on Facebook. Step 3. Again, open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection on your device. Step 4. Restart your device. Open Facebook apps. Tap on friend option. Then you can send friend request on Facebook. Solve this problem. Follow all of the steps to fix Facebook cannot send request problem on Facebook. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.